Hey, good morning and great Thursday, great Thursday. I see God's hand already beginning to work in our communities as we begin to execute the will of God. Hear what it says, verse 15. Yes, we're in First Peter chapter 1. It says, but now you must be holy in everything you do. Just as God who chose you is holy. I love this verse simply because it says, it places the benchmark not on others, but on God. I am not in competition with anybody else. I'm really trying to meet the standard that Jesus Christ has set. I'm not trying to resemble anybody else, because you're trying to, if you become the standard, then you're God. He says, we must be holy as he is holy. He is the benchmark. He is the one that we're looking to become as or like. He is the one that we're pledging our allegiances to so that we can become like him. He is the one that must be in focus. He is the mirror that we wake up, and as we get ready to execute his will, we're looking into that mirror of who he is, and then we're thinking, we're fixing who we are. We're changing some stuff. We're adjusting some stuff in our lives. Daily, we're adjusting some stuff. And so the person I was yesterday, I may not be that person today. The mistake I made yesterday, not making it today. The argument I got into, I'm not arguing today, because I'm about looking towards the benchmark that is Jesus Christ. I'm looking towards that standard that is Jesus Christ. And because I'm looking at him, because I'm constantly looking at him, because I'm constantly making adjustments, because I'm constantly ensuring that I look like him, I act like him, I imitate him in everything, because I'm looking like that. Yeah, change is going to be constant in my life. Change is going to be constant in my life. I hope you're ready for this, because this is the normal Christian behavior. This is the normal Christian life. I hope you're ready for this. If you're not doing this, it's highly likely that you're not executing the will of God. Come on, let's get it together. We've got to be holy. It's got to mark who we are. It's a spiritual and a moral connection. We're doing the will of God, but we're not trying to do it the way we want it done. We're doing it the way you got it right. He wants it done. Come on, have a great day today, and let's execute with the mark of righteousness and holiness tagged on to us. You know, you got to understand, Jesus has this on his garments: righteousness, holiness unto the Lord. The priests in the Old Testament had this as a sash around them: holiness unto the Lord. That's where we are today. We're going to get it done because we're imitating Jesus